Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my channel. My name's Archarimak, and yeah, welcome to this Kikuyu channel. And for those who are new here, thanks for joining me. Feel at home. This is where we learn Kikuyu. This is where we get to know Kikuyu culture and feel welcomed. So we are once again outside in a forest, and we're going to learn a few things that are found right here in this kind of forest. And yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing we're going to learn is how we call trees. All of us surrounded with trees, and we just want to know, how do we call these trees in Kikuyu? Now, trees are called mete. That is the plural form of trees. Mete, mete. If it's only one tree like this one, or like this one, or a good example of this one here, we just call it mote. Mote, mete. Mote is the singular form, mete is just the plural form of trees. Now, from trees we get wood. How do we call wood in Kikuyu? We call wood bow, bow. Now, behind my camera there is a tree that was cut. It was basically cut for wood, and yeah, maybe I should show you. It's not really some sort of wood, sorry. It's not really like wood, but bow, that's how we call wood. Or even this, whatever is here, this was a tree that was cut, and it was cut to produce wood or firewood. But if it is for wood, we call that bow. Wood is wood. Bow, bow. You can say wood for making furnitures. Bow ciaguthodeka indo cia nyumba. Bow ciaguthodeka indo cia nyumba. Indo cia nyumba are furnitures. You can just say indo cia nyumba. I don't think there is a specific terminology for furnitures, but what I know is bow ciaguthodeka indo cia nyumba. Bow ciaguthodeka indo cia nyumba. Bow. Now, we also have firewood that comes from trees like these ones. We have so many here. We have a lot of firewood surrounding me all over. This can be an example of firewood. This one here, and I have a lot of it here. We have these, all these. This can be used as firewood. So, what do we call this? Go, 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 firewood. Go, firewood. That's basically the term we use for firewood. Go. Now, if I want to say I want to go to the forest, how do I say? Dereda wodhie, wodhie. Now watch me. Wodhie. Wodhie is going or walking. Direda. Direda wodhie motito. Direda, I want. Wodhie, wodhie motito. Motito is here, forest. Motito, forest. If it's one forest, motito. If there are many, metito, metito. Direda wodhie motito. Direda wodhie motito. Direda wodhie motito. People go to the forest to fetch firewood for walks and many other activities. What if I'm going for a walk? How do I say that? Davi or direda wodhie, direda wodhie woshera motito. Direda gũthiĩ gũcera mũtitũ, or just say ndirenda kumĩra mũtitũ, or you can say kũnogora magũrũ. Actually, kũnogora magũrũ is like you just want to go and stretch, you know, you go stretch your joints, your bones, your legs, your arms, you know, you want to stretch out, you want to feel flexible, and people go to the forest for walks, to stretch, for sports and many things. Ndirenda gũthiĩ kwĩnogora mũtitũ. Kwĩnogora is like to relax, to relax. Kwĩnogora, to relax myself. Kwĩnogora, or kũnogora magũrũ. Kũnogora magũrũ is to stretch your legs. Magũrũ, legs. Kũnogora magũrũ. Now, what if I'm going in the forest to fetch or to get some fresh air? Ndirenda kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera mũtitũ, or you can say ndirenda gũthiĩ mũtitũ ngahũrwo nĩ rĩera. Rĩera is air. Kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera, just to have fresh air. Kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera. Ndirenda gũthiĩ mũtitũ kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera, or ndirenda gũthiĩ mũtitũ ngahũrwo nĩ rĩera. It's a bit complicated, but if you know the word rĩera, that's basically oxygen or fresh air. Just when you are saying kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera, I'm just going to have fresh air in the forest, like I'm doing right here. Actually, I'm here to get fresh air. It's amazing, it's so nice, and I love it. It's wow. Now, kũhũrwo nĩ rĩera mũtitũ. Now, how do we call the leaves that are here all over the trees? How do we call the leaves? Like these ones here. Mahuti, mahuti. These are leaves. Mahuti. Mahuti can mean even the weeds or the leaves. You can, or even the dried stuff that is the dried leaves that are right here with me. You can just see all these. Mahuti, mahuti. Maya ne mahuti. Maya, maya. These are leaves. Maya ne mahuti. These are leaves. Maya ne mahuti. That's how we call that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you had a good time like I did. Please make use of your nature wherever you are. Go outside, refresh your mind, refresh your bones, your joints, your legs, your arms, and your psychology. It's very, very important. Now, I want to say goodbye till we meet again next